Today I'm going to show you a fire restoration we did that had approximately 6,000 square feet of living space. We had some damage up in the master bedroom. The total first floor was renovated, and we did a few things in the basement. Let me come show you what we did. So we're upstairs in the master, and the fire actually originated one level below us and came up this whole wall here and burned through all this and up through the ceiling here as well. So in this space what we did is we added this beautiful 5-inch red oak floor with custom color. We added new windows and we drywalled the new trim and doors throughout. We're now on the first floor in the foyer area, and what we did here on the first floor is we did all new 5-inch oak with custom paint. We added this beautiful custom wood medallion. We also did some stair work over here where she had carpets before. What we did is we had taken the carpets out, sanded and refinished the treads, and we painted the risers. And then what we did is we added these beautiful iron balusters and got rid of the old oak ones that were there previously. Here we are in a small family room of the front of the house, and we have added the 2 additional windows that were replaced. The hardwood goes throughout this level. We added these double French glass doors. Now we're in the office area, and in this area too, we did all new windows, added additional can lights, added some wireless security system, speaker system, networking system. So now we're in the kitchen, and we did a lot of work in the kitchen because the fire actually originated on the other side of this wall and burned outward directly below the master bedroom, where we added this beautiful new vinyl window. We added a countertop granite trim piece. We have some beautiful countryside Lancaster doors, maple wood with macadamia paint finish. We also added this under cabinet rail with some LED lights to reflect on this Glazio glass tile. Along with that, we had some 2-piece crown at the top to really make these 48-inch uppers really shine. Here we added a couple custom design features. What we did with this beautiful cooktop, 5-burner cooktop, is we pulled it forward a little bit to give her a little bit more space with this custom hood with a custom piece of the mantle that we're carrying from the family room, which I'll show you in a minute. We also have this microwave here off the countertop. We have a double oven right here, LG. We have an LG ThinQ refrigerator. We also added this pantry here. Before, this customer just had a regular pantry closet, but with the wall there, she didn't have this much depth. We also have this beautiful island where we added 2 cabinets back to back. We have a 24-inch on this side and 12-inch on this side to give her a lot of countertop space. We have a couple boxes on this side. We have this beautiful granite countertop, Verdes Aquarius, and you can't see this on the film, but you can feel that this custom granite is actually leathered. This is a leathered custom granite top. So now we're in the great room, and we did a lot of really nice design changes I'd like to go through with you really quick. What we did here is previously she didn't have any of these cabinet space, and she had this fireplace was set back on this back wall. So the first thing we did is we framed this wall out for a spot for her new firebox. We also tiled it with some beautiful MSI silver travertine tile. We also carried in from the kitchen the granite Verdes Aquarius leather countertop piece for the hearth. We also added these beautiful 12-inch floating shelves, 15-inch cabinet space with wood tops, with these boot seats, bench seats, with drawers for additional space for your great room. with a nice trim on the top to try to hide a little bit of those can lights. Let me show you what we did for her laundry space. In order to add a lot of cabinet space and a lot of workspace for her, we actually took the door off of her laundry facility and we added this beautiful sliding barn door so she doesn't lose any space inside the room for needing space to swing her door. And we have a lot of nice features in this laundry room. Once again, we have the same countryside macadamian cabinet color with maple wood with beautiful under cabinet light rail with LED lights. We have a beautiful backsplash 7x7 tile. We have a Valentine quartz product here. We also, in order to give her some additional space, we added that countertop and we carried it over the top of her washer and dryer so she has some additional workspace. And one other favorite is to have a handy ironing board to get all those wrinkles out. So in the bathroom here, in the powder room on the first floor, what we did is we put an additional spacing here for her countertop to try to have access down here for like a garbage box, kind of utilize the space here. It's got a beautiful vessel sink with a black faucet, and we also tiled this back accent wall, and it absolutely looks amazing. On the other side of that kitchen wall is the screened-in porch where the fire actually happened. So this area was all gutted and we added and replaced all these triple slide custom windows with a couple trapezoid windows on the top, all cedar and painted with 45-degree can lights and a custom fan light fixture. We also installed this Trex decking that was damaged due to the fire before. We're down in the basement, and what we did down here is we ended up putting all new LVT flooring. It's MSI, Ludlow is the color. MSI came out with an LVT luxury vinyl tile stair tread that is absolutely gorgeous, which we painted the risers so it matches the floor down here. So coming into the bathroom downstairs, there was a little bit of a functionality problem with the door and the location of the vanity. So what we did is we did the same thing we did in the laundry room. We added this beautiful 6-panel barn-style door to get all the swing space back from inside this bathroom. We relocated the vanity to this side of the room and put a nice high-rise faucet with some beautiful granite top and a countryside cabinet. We also had to install 2 brand new furnaces with matching AC units. We also replaced 2 Bradford white 50-gallon water heaters to run in a series. This was a massive project with a lot of great renovations. We actually got this project done on time, and the customer is really happy to get back to enjoy her new space.